From the city of Denton, this is a DTV Newsbreak.
I'm Natalie Rowe for the City of Denton. Thanks for joining us. The Department of Development Services held a community workshop for the Oak Gateway Area Development Plan on Thursday. Community members engaged city staff in conversation about the area's growth, potential improvements, and visions moving forward.
In the future, and that's really what we're here to do tonight, is to listen to you. We've learned that you don't start a plan by going out and saying this is what it should be like. You listen to the community and make sure that the recommendations of the plan follow the desires for the future of the area.
The whole workshop is, again, an opportunity to receive input. And really, these folks, some of them, this is the first time they've heard of this area plan. And so we wanted to do a quick introduction, share with them what we've already learned so far, and then started off with a voting exercise where they each get a clicker and provide comments. You know, an opportunity just to learn what they think the area should be. And then following that, we know we want to get more information, so we have stations identified where they can provide input on mobility, parking, as well as corridor improvements. So a lot of stuff that, you know, is going to help us when we draft this area plan.
This will be something that City Council will look at when the proposition comes forward.
Any opportunity to voice your opinion is important. You know, we want to hear from everybody. You know, this is your city, this is our city. We want to make sure that we represent everyone, and if you are able to provide comments, we want to hear from you. It's going to help us in the long run.
Denton Parks and Recreation has a brand new after-school performing arts club. It begins March 5th and is geared for kids ages 5 to 12. Visit dentonparks.com to learn more and to register. Materials Hard and Soft is the Greater Denton Arts Council's premier contemporary craft exhibition. It includes pieces from artists all around the globe and is challenging the very concept of art.
I think this exhibition really gets people to think outside the box of what they think art is. So art and art appreciation is something that most people don't learn in school anymore, so it gives you the really great chance to experience it, to experience new things, and to make you think about, well, what is art to me? I see art as oil paintings, but when you're here, you're not going to see an oil painting in this exhibition. You're going to see woodworking, and you're going to see ceramics. So it kind of gives you, in the process of thinking things beyond what you've learned in school, or thinking things about what you think are like normal things. So it gives you the chance to expand your mind.
That does it for this edition of DTV Newsbreak. For the City of Denton, I'm Natalie Rowe. Thanks for watching.
Watch more city videos at youtube.com and visit our website. Stay connected with the city of Denton.